Introducing the WhiteFox, one of the most beautiful and efficient keyboards we've ever made. We are Input Club, a group of keyboard enthusiasts brought together by the internet with the desire to make the best keyboards in the world. We collaborated with Matteo Spinelli to make the WhiteFox a true enthusiast masterpiece.
Hi, my name is Matteo Spinelli and I'm the father of the WhiteFox. The project actually started about 5 years ago with the Brown Fox. The Brown Fox is a series of keyboards that I designed in search for the perfect layout. But it was only with the help of Input Club that we were able to bring it to the next level, aka the WhiteFox.
The WhiteFox works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS due to the power of the keyboard layout language, software we invented to make our keyboards more functional than anything else available. Because the WhiteFox is completely open source, you can customize the hardware directly from the command line, or by using our simple online configurator. The bespoke keycap set, designed by Matteo himself, is made from dye-sublimated PBT, a favorite engineering plastic of the online keyboard community. The keys are extremely fade, dust, and fingerprint resistant.
The body is milled from a solid block of aircraft-grade aluminum, and the newly invented halo switches deliver a smooth, tactile feel. We've already provided the WhiteFox as a kit you've had to build yourself on mass drop, and there are about 4,000 of these WhiteFoxes living out in the wild. With this campaign, we want to make the WhiteFox accessible to everyone, fully assembled and ready to go right out of the box.
If you love products that people care about, if you support true makers, or if you simply want the best tool you'll use every day, please join our campaign and support the WhiteFox.